Hey everybody, Mark Yagi here. Hope you're doing well. SpaceX went public a few days ago. Actually, this is 3 days away from the IPO, and you can see where the IPO was right down in here at 135, and you can see that candle right there. These are 10-minute candles, by the way. It just went crazy after that. And you can see the stock is just going crazy, right? It's gone up about 55% since the IPO, up to about 225 from 135. Is it going higher? I don't know. This is kind of what happens in IPOs. They kind of explode up. They're priced a little bit less than they should be so that the underwriters look good. They let the stock go up and have a bunch of us get FOMO, so we get fear of missing out. And then sometimes the selling starts, but I don't know when that's going to happen. All I know is that today is a historic day because today is the first day that options have started trading. And if you're a covered call investor, you're loving it. There's good sides and bad sides to that, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But anyway, you could see this stock has, first day did really well. It closed, right around 162 from 135. Second day closed around 190, and then today it already hit 225, and now it's pulling back just a little bit in these 10-minute bars. So interesting stuff going on in SpaceX. Let me show you what's going on in the option market. And this is cool, but there's a lot of excitement in here, and it's creating interesting stuff in the option market. So well, the first thing I want to point out to you is the spreads are really wide. So these are options that expire in 2 days, and you can see the juice on an option that's right around the money at 210 is paying you $13.92 per share, or $1,319 a contract. That's a lot of juice for 2 days. Unbelievable, right? So you could see the spread's not too bad here when we're so close in. It's 14 by 1430. That's a typical normal spread on a stock like this. But if you were looking, or somebody was looking at doing synthetics, and you want to go out, let's go even just to September. You could see that I already have a position in this. Even if you're going out to September and you wanted to buy something deep in the money, September 18th, it's not really painting too well right now, but you could see 82.80 to 88 on these 135s. So that's quite a spread. If you go down here and you look at the money, not that you should ever do at the money spreads on the long, but you've got 42 to 44. But the delta is 61 and you're right at the money. But look at all the juice you'd be paying if you bought that, or the juice you'd be getting if you obviously sold that. So pretty good stuff there for 2 months. If you do something like I looked at doing, that is, and I'm not saying you do this. By the way, these are all hypothetical because the market's changing like crazy, and this is past information. But just to give you an idea of what's going on there. See, the spreads are now starting to tighten a bit since when I got in. And so these were like $5 spreads, and now they're coming down to about $3 or $4, which is really good. So if somebody were to want to go even in the money down to these 170s when the stock is at 208, that gives you a bunch of protection, $48 worth of protection at this point, and $12.29 worth of juice. That's income. So anyway, there's, the farther you go out, the less liquidity you're going to get. If we go out to January of 2028, you can see not a lot of bid and ask action right there. Not bad spreads, frankly, if you look way out. We're talking about a year and a half out. So a lot of interesting stuff going on in the market. I do covered calls on things because I like to protect the downside. I do, in this case, I've done an in-the-money covered call down at the 170 level against the synthetic on the long side, and it creates juice, it creates income, and that's really what I'm all about. So I just find this stuff to be really interesting, especially on a stock like SpaceX, a world-changing stock that is doing amazing things in AI and rocketry, in internet communications, in putting up payloads, because we're going to have thousands and thousands, actually millions, they're predicting, millions of rockets floating up there. I don't know how they're not going to run into each other, but I guess they're going to have an air traffic controller, AI or something up there that's directing traffic. But to me, it's just phenomenal that we are now, there was the Industrial Revolution, then we had the Internet Revolution, and now this is all moving to space. And I think space is a whole new, no pun intended, but a whole new frontier. So you can try to make money on it. You can take advantage. This stock is up 50% in 3 days, and I sure hope that you were able to get some of that at the IPO. There are risks on both sides, and I've made videos going into the IPO that, look, here's what happens to other IPOs after a week, after 10 days, after 2 months, whatever. And there are risks that, they get sold off because the insiders can sell. You can see this stock has gone from 225 today at the high, near the high, to 207 already. So there's some volatility here, and you have to be able to prepare for volatility. Nonetheless, a stock like this is fun. A stock like Tesla, when it came public, was fun, and they give you a ton of opportunity. Anyway, just wanted to highlight that today is a historic day and the first day of trading in options. I'm sure there'll be many, many, many good opportunities in this stock. Thanks for checking in with me. I'm having an event called the Income Accelerator, by the way, if you're interested, and you should be. It's how to do covered calls, and it's a mentorship over a month period where it's a live session 4 weeks in a row on Wednesday nights, and plus you have some videos and you have some mentorship by me during the period. That's coming up in a few weeks now, in the kind of the second, third of July. And if you're interested, there's going to be a link here below. I'd love to have you there, but I can't mentor everybody, so there's just going to be a handful of people in this program, and I'm excited. If you are excited as I am to get involved, you'll get the early bird pricing while we have it out there. Click on the link below, find out a little bit more, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. The information you just heard is for education and information. This is not financial advice.